I just built a sellable ebook in 47 minutes. No writing, no design software, just AI and a clear idea. I've been testing AI tools for months and actually years since the lockdown to see what actually works for beginners. Not theory, real products, and real things that people would actually pay for. And what I have found has actually changed how I think about my business entirely. I mean, from 2024, 25, I have been rethinking everything that I have known for decades. So here is the old way that we all used to do things. You spend lots of money, spend lots of weeks outlining. I mean, I can tell you about writing my first book. I mean, it took me years and years and years, writing, designing, formatting, hiring freelancers. I've bought over 200 gigs on Fiverr alone before all the freelancing websites. I can tell you, hiring freelancers to do this and that and that and that. I have bought over 200 gigs to 300 gigs on these platforms. But one thing that has actually changed the way I do is there is no more need to learn complicated softwares. You know, what happens is that many people started ideas in the past and they have very creative things they wanted to do, but before you know it, the challenges along the way, the barriers along the way forced many people to quit before they ever finish executing anything that came to their mind. But guess what? That was the old way, the AI way. You feed your AI tool, or I feed Genesis AI 360 and Claude and ChatGPT and all these AI tools out there with a single idea. A beginner's guide, for example, to a meal. Um, Preparing it on X budget, and guess what? It generates your outlines, write the chapters, formats it professionally, and even suggests bonuses, things that you can put in your whole product package. How cool is that? So, what used to require different skills, different software? Remember, I've already spoken to you about freelancers and getting gigs here and there. Guess what? It only requires one thing these days: knowing what problem you're actually trying to solve. Guess what? AI will handle the execution for you. You handle the direction. You are the CEO, you are the boss. So AI is not here to replace you, it's not replacing me. AI is here to remove barriers, the things that used to stand between your idea and the finished product. The advantage isn't talent anymore. I can tell you that. It's action, it's speed. I went from idea to finished product in under 1 hour. It's ready, it's done. I go from idea. That's not hype. That's not hype. That's the new standard. So when you use the right tools and use them correctly, you are executing with speed and efficiency. So if you want a step-by-step process on how we doing this, come on, how we doing this ethically, how we doing this practically, not being overwhelmed, join our AI learning community. Join Success 2026. Links below. Let's build something wonderful. Let's build something great this year. I'm excited about learning and using AI and sharing with my community this year than ever before. We are optimizing, scaling, and doing the things. So I'll see you inside.